Hey, this is Anand presenting you PtaaS. PtaaS is a pen testing automation tool as well as a ticket management tool which helps to organize and bridge the user, testers, and the admin for the pen testing organizations. PtaaS also gives you an automated report out of your pen tests that is helpful in compliances and as an honor of badge of honor. So, PtaaS is a full stack project built upon Next. We have used the API from the Next for backend purposes. I have used Postgres SQL for the database management and AWS S3 buckets for asset storage. So now this PtaaS is a three-level role-based model. So we have a admin account, we have a user account, which is a user. Then we have a tester account. So testers are basically the testers whom the task would be assigned. Users will be the organization who wants the tests, and admin would be the testing owner. So let's see. We have all accounts which are here, where we could see all of the accounts that are linked to PTS. Then we will have a pen tests that are in progress or are there on the system. Then we go ahead to the user dashboard. User has the right to create a pen test where they could enter the details and get started with the pen test. The admin will approve these pen tests, and the admin has the responsibility to assign these to the testers. So now, so let's take an example. Suppose this is a pen test created by the user who wants to get tested this part of the website and has added the details to it. So let's have a meet to discuss it here. And the platform is this one. So now the admin can choose a tester who will be working on this. So currently I have a user named Anand at test1@test.com. So this is the user. He has been assigned this task, so it is coming under his reference. Then he could report a finding and close that ticket. So I have already opened a finding in this case, which is SQL injection, possible SQL injection, and the tester has already added the details to it. These part of uploading the images, and this is inside a markdown. So we have an image and we have video. So these are stored on S3 buckets. The user could add comments inside the findings to have a discussion there. Now, this is the role of the tester user account, so he could just report the findings and have a report on that. Then coming to the dashboard, um, so same the this finding could be made public or private based on we what the admin choose, and if it's public, then the user could also see that finding. So if we go to our pen test and then click on the task, and we will find out that we have a finding here right here. This is same, and you can see that the full report is not yet generated. So let's go to admin and create a report based on this finding. Now coming to our pen test, we will have this one. And if we go to pen test, create report for this pen test. So now our PDF is being generated for what the finding you want to include in this. So this one is the only finding. So I'm including this. Let's suppose we are naming as a report version 1, and executive summary would be like something more detailed about the pen test that has happened. So let's have a summary here. Then the company name would be, suppose we are any random values. Then the address would be also, let's suppose having 3 Delaware, US. And we create a generate report button. So this will generate a report. So here it is. So we have created a report which is PDF file based on the pen test that we just created here. We have the table of content in on which if you click you will be redirected to that page by yourself. Here is the links to the video concepts, to the findings, what all the things were reported. Then if you approve this, now the user could see the generated report. So let's wait for a second and this would approved. Yeah. Now, if you go back to the user page, this is being reloaded, and if you go to full report, you will find your report soon here. So this was all about pen test. That's it. Thank you.